हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी जोन नेवर स्टॉप लर्निंग। आज मैं आपको क्लास 10 सोशल साइंस सेशन 2021 का सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ाऊंगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेक्शन ए से शुरू करते हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विद रिगार्ड टू द एक्ट ऑफ यूनियन 1707 फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस। ऑप्शन ए है द ब्रिटिश मोनार्की सरेंडर्ड द पावर टू इंग्लिश पार्लियामेंट। बी ऑप्शन है द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट सीज पावर फ्रॉम आयरलैंड। सी ऑप्शन है द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड किंगडम ऑफ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन। डी ऑप्शन है द ब्रिटिश नेशन वॉज फॉर्म्ड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अ वॉर विद स्कॉटलैंड एंड वेल्स। तो इसका आंसर आप देख सकते हैं, आंसर सी होगा इसका। सेकंड है which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? A. Treaty of Sevres, B. Treaty of Versailles, C. Treaty of Lausanne या फिर D. Treaty of Constantinople। तो इसका आंसर होगा डी वाला। थर्ड है which of the following was the reason for calling of the non-cooperation movement by Gandhi ji? A. Pressure from the ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, बी सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस, सी गांधी जीज अरेस्ट या फिर डी चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट। सो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट। नेक्स्ट है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। बिजनेस प्रोसेसेस आउटसोर्सिंग बीपीओ इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया। इसका आंसर हाईलाइटेड है, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इसका आंसर है। या फिर सेकंड है ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन हैज़ हेल्प्ड डैश इंडस्ट्री टू एक्सपैंड इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया। आंसर लिखा है फर्टिलाइजर। फिफ्थ चूज द करेक्टली मैच पेयर अबाउट द प्रिमिटिव कल्टिवेशन इन इंडिया फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस। ए दाहिया मध्य प्रदेश, बी कुमारी झारखंड, सी खिल आंध्र प्रदेश, डी कोमन कर्नाटका। सो इसका आंसर है ए दहिया मध्य प्रदेश। सिक्स फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। बार्ली राबी क्रॉप, कॉटन खारिफ डैश जैद क्रॉप। ए वीट, बी मस्टर्ड, सी सोयाबीन या डी कुकुम्बर। सो आंसर है कुकुम्बर। सेवेंथ आइडेंटिफाई द सॉइल विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स। रेड टू ब्राउन इन कलर, सैंडी इन टेक्सचर एंड सलाइन इन नेचर, लैक्स ह्यूमस एंड मॉइस्चर। सो आंसर इसका है एरिड सॉइल, जिसमें ये प्रॉपर्टीज आती हैं। एट्थ अ टाइप ऑफ मिलेट रिच इन आयरन, कैल्शियम, अदर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड रफेज इज ए बाजरा, बी राजमा, सी ज्वार, डी रागी। इसका आंसर होगा डी रागी। नाइन्थ है पॉपुलेशन ऑफ श्रीलंकन तमिल्स इज कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन डैश रीजन ऑफ श्रीलंका। ए नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, बी नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट, सी ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट, डी साउथ एंड ईस्ट। सो इसका आंसर है नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट। टेंथ है डिफाइन मेजोरिटिज्म। A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority। या फिर सेकंड है डिफाइन ethnicity। A social division based on shared culture, people belonging to same ethnic group believes in their common descent। 11th which administrative authority legislates on residuary subjects। आंसर होगा union/center। या फिर सेकंड है विच एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अथॉरिटी लेजिस्लेट्स ऑन यूनियन लिस्ट। सो आंसर होगा यूनियन/सेंटर। ट्वेल्थ है रीड द गिवन डेटा एंड फाइंड ऑफ विच कंट्री हैज़ मोस्ट इक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम। कंट्रीज दी हैं और मंथली इनकम ऑफ सिटीजन्स दी हैं 4 कंट्रीज इन 2018 में। ए ऑप्शन है कंट्री ए, बी ऑप्शन है कंट्री बी, सी ऑप्शन है कंट्री डी या फिर डी ऑप्शन है कंट्री डी। सो इसका आंसर होगा कंट्री ए। 13th है read the information given below and select the correct option। Mohan is an agricultural laborer. There are several months in a year when he has no work and needs credit to meet his daily expenses. He depends upon his employer, the landowner, for credit, who charges an interest rate of 5% per month. Mohan repays the money by working physically for the landowner on his farmland. Over the years, his debt will A. increase because of increasing interest and non-payment of monthly amount, B. remain constant as he is working for the employer but is repaying less, C. reduce as amount equivalent to his salary is being counted as monthly payment या फिर D. B. Totally repaid as he is repaying the debt in the form of physical labor. So इसका आंसर होगा A. Increase because of increasing interest and non-payment of monthly amount. या फिर सेकेंड ऑप्शन में है मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चरल लेबर्स लाइक मोहन डिपेंड अपॉन लोन्स फ्रॉम इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट दिस सेक्टर इज करेक्ट? ए. There are government bodies to supervise informal sector. B. Money lenders ask for a reasonable rate of interest. C. Cost of informal loans to the borrowers is quite high. या फिर D. Money lenders use fair means to get their money back. So इसका आंसर होगा C. Cost of informal loans to the borrowers is quite high. 14th question है which of the following options describe collateral? A. Double constituents of bonds. B. Certain products for barter. C. Trade in barter. या फिर D. Asset as guarantee for loan. So इसका आंसर होगा D. Asset as guarantee for loan. 15th है read the given statements in context of globalization and choose the correct option. A. It is only way for economic development of the country. B. Intellects only production-based activities in dispersed location in the world. C. It has always given only positive results in all the countries. D. Leads to spread of technology, cultures and diseases from a region to another. So इसका आंसर होगा D. 16th, in the question given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Assertion: different people have different development goals. Reason: people want freedom, equality, security and respect. So इसका options दिए हैं A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second, B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. So इसका आंसर होगा A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Section B शुरू होता है अब. 17. Why did Gandhi ji start the non-cooperation movement? Explain. Against Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh incidents and Khilafat Andolan. 18th question है explain the measures and practices introduced by the French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. Answer है the ideas of la patrie, the fatherland and la citoyen. The citizen emphasized the notion of united committee enjoying equal rights under a constitution. Second, a new French flag tricolor was chosen to replace the royal standard. Third, a States General was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed the National Assembly. Fourth, new hymns were composed and martyrs commemorated, all in the name of the nation. Fifth, a centralized system of administration was introduced. Uniform laws were made for all citizens. इनमें से आपको कोई भी 3 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं क्योंकि ये 3 मार्क्स का था. या फिर आपके पास सेकेंड ऑप्शन भी है लाइक जर्मनी इटली टू हैड अ लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री ऑफ पॉलिटिकल फ्रैगमेंटेशन. इसको एक्सप्लेन करना था. फर्स्ट, इटालियंस वर स्कैटर्ड ओवर सेवरल डायनेस्टिक स्टेट्स. सेकेंड, Sardinia, Piedmont was ruled by an Italian princely house. Third, Italy was unified in 1861 and Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed King of United Italy. Fourth, Giuseppe Mazzini has sought to put together a program for a unitary Italian republic. Fifth, the unification of Italy was a result of many wars through a tactful diplomatic alliance with France by Chief Minister Cavour. Sixth, Garibaldi joined the fray to be evaluated as a whole. 19th आता है suggest and explain any 3 ways to protect land from degradation in various states of India. First, afforestation. Second, proper management of grazing. Third, planting of shelter belts of plants. Fourth, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. Fifth, कंट्रोल ऑफ माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज. सिक्स्थ, एनी अदर रिलेवेंट पॉइंट अगर आपको लगे. इनमें से आपको कोई भी 3 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. 20 है डिस्क्राइब एनी 3 स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट टूवर्ड्स डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इन द ईयर 1992. इनमें से आपको कोई भी 3 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मैंडेट टू होल्ड रेगुलर इलेक्शंस टू लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज. रिजर्वेशन ऑफ सीट्स in the elected bodies and the executive heads of these institutions for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and the other backward classes. Third, reservation of at least 1/3 of all positions for women. Fourth, creation of an independent institution called the State Election Commission in each state to conduct panchayat and municipal elections. Fifth, the state governments are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies. इनमें से कोई भी तीन आपको आंसर में लिखने हैं. या फिर सेकंड ऑप्शन है, डिस्क्राइब एनी 3 फेडरल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी. डिवीजन ऑफ पावर्स बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड स्टेट्स. There are 3 lists: union list, state list, concurrent list. Residuary subjects. Fourth, control of union territories with center. इनमें से आपको कोई भी 3 points लिखने हैं. 21st है, imagine yourself to be XYZ, a member of a women self-help group. Analyze the ways through which your group provides loan to the members. First, self-help groups pool their savings. Second, a typical SHG has 15 to 20 members usually belonging to one neighborhood who meet and save regularly. Third, saving per member varies from rupees 25 to rupees 100 or more depending on the ability of the people to save. 4, members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. Fifth, the group charges interest on these loans, but this is still less than what the money lenders charges. 4, after a year or two, if the group is regular in savings, it becomes eligible for availing loan from the bank. इसमें से कोई भी 3 आपको points लिखने हैं. 22nd है, the issue of sustainability important for development. इसको examine the statement. First, sustainable development aims at fulfilling the needs of today without compromising the needs of the future generation. Second, sustainability is the capability to use the resources judiciously and maintain the ecological balance. Third, it lays emphasis on environmental protection and check environmental degradation. Fourth, any other relevant point. इनमें से कोई भी 3 आपको लिखना है. सेक्शन सी आता है अब आपके पास. 23rd क्वेश्चन है, read the source given below and answer the questions that follows. Following the defeat of Napoleon in 1815, European governments were driven by a spirit of conservatism. Conservatives believed that established traditional institutions of state and society like the monarchy, the church, social hierarchies, property and the family should be preserved. Most conservatives, however, did not propose a return to the society of pre-revolutionary days. Rather, they realized from the changes initiated by Napoleon that modernization could in fact strengthen traditional institutions like the monarchy. It should make state power more effective and stronger. A modern army, an efficient bureaucracy, a dynamic economy, the abolition of feudalism and serfdom could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe. In 1815, representatives of the European powers who had collectively defeated Napoleon met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. The delegates drew up the Treaty of Vienna of 1815 with the object of undoing most of the changes that had come about in Europe during the Napoleonic Wars. The Bourbon dynasty, which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power, and France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon. A series of states were set up on the boundaries of France to prevent French expansion in future. Answer the following MCQs by choosing the most appropriate option. 23rd का first है, which of the following statements correctly describes about European conservative ideology? A, preservation of beliefs introduced by Napoleon. B, preservation of 2 sects of Christianity. C, preservation of socialist ideology in economic sphere. D, preservation of traditionalist beliefs in state and society. Answer होगा D. 23rd, identify the purpose to convene the Vienna of Congress in 1815 from the following options. A, to declare competition of German unification. B, to restore conservative regime in Europe. C, to declare war against France. D, to start the process of Italian unification. So answer होगा B. 23rd का थर्ड ऑप्शन है, थर्ड पार्ट है व्हाट डिड कंजर्वेटिव्स फोकस ऑन एट द कांग्रेस ऑफ वेना. सेलेक्ट द एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन. टू री एस्टैब्लिश पीस एंड स्टेबिलिटी in Europe. B. To establish socialism in Europe. C. To introduce democracy in France. D. To set up a new parliament in Austria. आंसर होगा A. 23rd का फोर्थ पार्ट है हाउ डिड द कांग्रेस ऑफ वेना इंश्योर पीस इन यूरोप. सेलेक्ट द एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन. A. With the restoration of Bourbon dynasty. B. Austria was not given the control of northern Italy. C. Laying out a balance of power between all the great powers in Europe. D. By giving power to the German Confederation. तो आंसर होगा C. 24 है read the text given below and answer the following questions. Manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy, they also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agriculture income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sectors. Industrial development is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. This was the main philosophy behind public sector industries and joint sector ventures in India. It was also aimed at bringing down regional disparities by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of finished goods of higher value are prosperous. India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries as quickly as possible. Agriculture and industry are not exclusive of each other. They move hand in hand. For instance, the agro-based industries in India have given a major boost to agriculture by raising its productivity. Answer the following MCQs by choosing the most appropriate option. 24th का 1 है manufacturing industries fall in dash and agriculture dash. A. Primary secondary sector. B. Secondary tertiary sector. C. Primary tertiary sector या फिर D. Secondary primary sector. So answer है D. 24 का सेकेंड है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोवाइड्स जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू रिड्यूस डिपेंडेंस ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. आइडेंटिफाई विच सेक्टर द फॉलोइंग जॉब्स बिलोंग टू. सो ये है चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन A1, B2, C3 and D4. B. A3, B4, C2, D1. C. A2, B3, C1, D2. D. A4, B1, C4 and D3. सॉरी A2 होगा इसमें. 24 का 3 है. सो इसका आंसर था 24 के सेकेंड पार्ट का B. 24 का 3 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस डज नॉट हेल्प इन मॉडर्नाइजिंग एग्रीकल्चर. A. Manufacturing farm equipment. B. Providing unskilled labor force. C. Supplying fertilizers and pesticides. D. Producing tube well pumps and sprinklers. आंसर होगा B. 24 का 4th है in order to attract foreign manufacturing firms, a country needs to develop A. Agrarian facilities. B. Cultivable lands. C. Media facilities या D. Infrastructure facilities. आंसर है D. 25th है read the given extract and answer the following questions. In a democracy, we are most concerned with ensuring that people will have the right to choose their rulers and people will have control over the rulers. Whenever possible and necessary, citizens should be able to participate in decision making that affects them all. Therefore, the most basic outcome of democracy should be that it produces a government that is accountable to the citizens and responsive to the needs and expectations of the citizens. Some people think that the democracy produces less effective government. It is of course true that non-democratic rulers are very quick and efficient in decision making and implementation, whereas democracy is based on the idea of deliberation and negotiation, so some delay is bound to take place. But because it has followed procedures, its decisions may be both more acceptable to the people and more effective. Moreover, when citizens want to know if a decision was taken through the current procedures, they can find this out. They have the right and the means to examine the process of decision making. This is known as transparency. This factor is often missing from a non-democratic government. There is another aspect in which democratic government is certainly better than its alternatives. Democratic government is legitimate government. It may be slow, less effective, less efficient, not always very responsive or clean, but a democratic government is people's own government. Answer the following MCQs by choosing the most appropriate option. 25th का फर्स्ट है people's right to choose their own rulers is called as the A right to initiate, B right to plebiscite, C right to vote, D right to referendum. So C होगा इसका आंसर right to vote. 25th का सेकेंड पार्ट है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस हेल्प्स इन प्रमोटिंग ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन द गवर्नेंस. आंसर में होगा बी राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन. 25th का 3 है डैश मेक्स द गवर्नमेंट लेजिस्टिमेट. आंसर होगा सी फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस. 25th का 4th है डिसीजन इन अ डेमोक्रेसी आर मोर एक्सेप्टेबल टू द पीपल बिकॉज दे आर. आंसर है डी टेकन आफ्टर फॉलोइंग ड्यू प्रोसेसेस. 26 रीड द सोर्स गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. 26 का फर्स्ट पार्ट है द पैसेज गिवन अबव रिलेट्स टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस. तो आंसर है फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. 26 का सेकेंड पार्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन पैसेज फोर्ड मोटर्स कैन बी टर्म्ड एज द मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी बेस्ड ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस. आंसर है डी इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कमर्शियल वेंचर्स अक्रॉस ग्लोब. 26 का थर्ड पार्ट है बाय सेटिंग अप देयर प्रोडक्शन प्लांट्स इन इंडिया फोर्ड मोटर्स वांटेड टू सी that the benefits of low cost production and a large market. 26 का फोर्थ है Ford Motors wish to develop Ford India as a component supplying base for its other plants across the globe is an evidence of. Answer है D interlinking of production across countries. 27 है how did people belonging to different communities, regions or language group develop a sense of collective belonging in the 19th century in India. एक्सप्लेन. सो इसके आंसर हम लोग को कोई 5 पॉइंट्स में लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट है द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द नेशन इज मोस्ट ऑफन सिम्बलाइज्ड विद द इमेज ऑफ भारत माता. सेकेंड बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय रोट वंदे मातरम एज अ हिम टू द मदरलैंड. थर्ड नॉवेल आनंदमठ. फोर्थ इंडियाज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म ऑल्सो डेवलप्ड थ्रू अ मूवमेंट टू रिवाइव इंडियन फोल्कलोर. Fifth, icons and symbols in unifying people and inspiring in them a feeling of nationalism. मैंने आपको 5 पॉइंट्स बताए हैं इन 8 पॉइंट में से. या फिर सेकंड ऑप्शन भी है आपके पास एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग एंड नोशन ऑफ स्वराज एज परसीव्ड बाय द प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स. हाउ डिड दे रिस्पॉन्ड टू द कॉल ऑफ द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. 28 है डिस्क्राइब द रोल ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन इन इंडिया. आंसर है कोई भी 5 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है मास कम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइड्स एंटरटेनमेंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट है creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspapers, magazines, books and films. Third, All India Radio, Akashvani broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional and local languages. Fourth, Doordarshan broadcasts programs of entertainment, educational, sports, etc. for people of different age groups. Fifth, India publishes a large number of newspapers and periodicals annually. Describe करना है benefits of roadways. So इसमें से कोई भी 5 पॉइंट्स आप लिख सकते हैं. Road need less capital than the railways. Road transport provides door-to-door service. The road transport provides flexible service to men and the materials. Road transport is useful in small distances. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as such can traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. 29 है suggest and explain any 5 ways to reform political parties in India. कोई भी 5 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. 30 है power sharing is the essence of the democratic government. Examine the statement. 31st है tertiary sector is playing a significant role in the development of Indian economy. Justify करना है statement को. Public sector contributes to the economic development of India. Justify the statement. इसमें कोई भी 5 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. फिर सेक्शन ई आता है मैप स्किल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. 32 का फर्स्ट पार्ट है, 2 places A and B have been marked on the given outline map of India. Identify them and write their correct names on the lines drawn near them. First है Indian National Congress INC session at this place in 1927. D. Mahatma Gandhi organized a Satyagraha movement at this place for indigo planters. मैप ये है. 32 का सेकेंड पार्ट है, on the same outline map of India locate and label any 3 of the following suitable symbols. A. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. B. Namrup thermal plant. C. Bengaluru Software Technology Park. D. Visakhapatnam Port. D. Naraura Nuclear Power Plant. सो इनके आंसर्स हैं. 32 का फर्स्ट का है बंगाल, 32 के सेकंड का है बिहार, 32 के थर्ड का है अमृतसर, 32 के फोर्थ का है गुजरात, फिर फिफ्थ है छत्तीसगढ़, सिक्स्थ है महाराष्ट्र और लास्ट है केरला. यहाँ पे इनकी ये मार्किंग्स हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. मद्रास, बेंगलुरु, विशाखापट्टनम, राणा प्रताप सागर डैम, चंपारण, नमरुप और नरौरा. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो सोशल साइंस सैम्पल पेपर पे तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करना ना भूलें. और अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दें. थैंक यू.